terms of respiratory support for babies is CPAP. It's actually one of the oldest things. We've had bubble CPAP around for years and years. But what we've come to realize recently is that we're able to support even our tiniest of the tiny babies with just CPAP, or continuous positive airway pressure through their nose, and not ever have to intubate them. The best types of systems work well when there's a really good seal for that CPAP, so you don't have any air leak out of the nose or out of the mouth, and everything kind of fits tightly. Unfortunately, those also make it very, not so much irritating for the babies, but they just feel it, so then their natural reflex is to move that out of their nose when they can. So we had a tremendous problem once we started using this new system, with the babies reaching up, and even the tiniest babies can get just a little tiny finger up and dislodge that cannula out of their nose. And when you do that, you lose everything that you've been working on in terms of pressure. You no longer have that seal, so you lose a lot of that airway pressure. The lungs begin to collapse back down, and you're kind of way back at the starting point for that. So one of the things that we realize is we need a system that tells us when these babies have managed to get these little prongs, get this cannula out of their nose, because there's no alarm built into this system currently. We just have to rely on the nurses at some point catching the baby in the act, or wait until the baby's oxygen levels drop low enough that the monitor goes off. So one of the things we've been looking for is some type of alarm system, some way to tell when is that cannula out of the baby's nose.
Our solution to this problem is a detection and alert system that will notify the nurses immediately when the nasal cannula prongs are dislodged from the nostrils. The device determines whether the prongs are inside or outside the nostrils by measuring the pressure in the bubble CPAP circuit. When the device determines that the prongs are outside the nostrils, it will alert the nurses using an audible alarm and text message system. The device connects directly to pre-existing bubble CPAP machines, making it an easy addition to any NICU. It has a touchscreen and keypad for inputting information like the CPAP pressure, flow rate, and the phone number to send the text message alerts to. When the pressure is within an acceptable range, the screen displays the color green. When the pressure drops below the acceptable threshold, the screen turns red and triggers the alert system. We tested our device with nurses and respiratory therapists at McGee Women's Hospital and received positive feedback about its design and ease of use. We hope that eventually, using our technology, the problem of neonatal nasal cannula dislodgement will become a thing of the past.